Welcome into the channel, guys. Today I am preparing a smoky roasted whole barbecue chicken. I'm preparing my chicken in a spatchcock style, which is simply splitting it down the breastbone, laying it flat to roast. This roaster has been in the refrigerator for 2 whole days, covered in sea salt. So it is going to be flavored down to the very bone. Again, I'm splitting it down the middle. I'm going to lay it flat, and then I'll add a few extra seasonings just to give it some extra added flavor with herbs that I want to use. Not a whole lot because it's already full of flavor. For my seasonings, I'm using garlic powder, white pepper, dried thyme, dried rosemary, and red pepper flakes. Seasoning both sides. And then I'm going to remove the back of the bird, and then I'll go in and add the rest of my seasonings. I'm going to coat my bird with some truffle oil. Massaging it in, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in also some cumin. Laying it flat in my roasting pan, and I will be roasting it uncovered. All right, it is just about ready. I'm going to go ahead and now prepare my barbecue sauce, adding my liquid smoke. And then I'm going to cover my bird and place it back into the oven to let the barbecue sauce set. And here you have it. This chicken, guys, is better than chicken that comes off the grill. No kidding. Look at that. So good. I mean, flavor down to the very bone.